Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on StockX. StockX is a unique platform operating as a live bid and ask marketplace, ensuring authenticity for every transaction. To succeed, you need to identify high-demand items such as limited edition sneakers, popular streetwear, or sought-after collectibles. Thoroughly researching market trends and historical sales data is crucial for predicting an item's future value and making informed purchasing decisions. This strategy helps you buy low and sell high. Sourcing items below their current market value is key to profitability. Look for opportunities from retail drops, sales, or even other marketplaces. Once you have an item, constantly monitor the live bids and asks on StockX to set a competitive selling price. Remember to factor in all StockX fees, which typically range from 8 to 9.5% of the sale price, plus a 3% payment processing fee. Understanding these costs ensures your profit margins are clear. Once your item sells, the listing and shipping process is straightforward. You'll match your item to an existing product page on StockX, ensuring accuracy. After a successful sale, you must ship your authenticated item within 2 business days. Prompt shipping is essential for maintaining a good seller rating. Always package your items securely in a sturdy box, using appropriate cushioning to prevent any damage during transit to the authentication center. This protects your sale. To maximize your profits, always focus on selling new, unworn items with their original packaging, as these command the highest prices. Be aware of potential penalties, such as fees for late shipments or if your item fails authentication. These can significantly impact your earnings. Finally, consider diversifying your inventory beyond just one type of product. Selling a variety of items can reduce your overall risk and open up more opportunities for consistent sales on the platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.